Welcome to my channel. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to do a shave video. But first, I must wet my face. It is time for a shave. And today's shave soap is going to be by 345 Soap Company, and it is Trenchlines. And this soap, it has a very nice cologne scent, and this is inspired by Lancaster white. I will put a scent profile right here, and I know that Memorial Day is actually Monday, and it being Sunday, I thought, well, you know, people are going to see this probably on Monday as well. So the whole theme behind this, you know, it has to do with military members. And just real quickly, I want to say thank you for anybody that has served in the military. But Memorial Day is really about those that served and had given their life during their service. And so I want to take a few moments of silence just to remember those. All right, and so the shave for today is going to be a kind of memorial type shave. I do have that soap already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and wow, that is a very nice scent. This is my Stirling brush that I put a new knot in it, and I will put a picture right here of the kind of before, during, after, and then whenever I broke in the brush, what it looks like. Yeah, let's just go ahead and apply the lather. Why not? And since this knot is a badger and boar combo, it's a 70-30, so it's 70% badger and 30% boar. It makes for a very nice, you know, there's kind of that fine line of softness, but it still has the backbone in it, which is what I'm always searching for. But being that it's a high density knot, the bristles are actually going to hold a little bit more water than the typical badger, and it's definitely going to, or not badger, but the boar, and it's definitely going to hold more than a synthetic brush. And so I had to use double my amount of soap, and which that brings me up to a half of a teaspoon of soap. But wow, it is nice. I do have a couple of days worth of growth here, and let's go ahead and talk about the razor. So today's choice of razor is going to be the PAA Starling, and this uses a gem blade, and I was drawn to this razor because it has an open comb. So it is a 3-piece razor, and you just remove the handle. The top cap separates from the base plate, and it's got the little, I always use that wrong finger to point with. I have, let's point with this finger. So it has the little studs here that kind of holds the blade in place, and I'm using a second use gem blade. And no, it's not a window scraper blade. I tried that. I'll put a link in the description of that video if you do care. It will be kind of difficult to show this, but it just sits in there like that. And I'll put the top cap back on. This is an aluminum razor. I'm not a real big fan of the aluminum razors, but I did hear some chatter that they may come out with a stainless steel one, which would be more up my alley. But I have this one, and I'm refraining from purchasing any razors. I did see one on Kevy Shaves that I thought I might have to get that one if they actually have it. Have you guys heard about the new Yaki all, I think it's all brass, the adjustable razor? Remember when they had the adjustable razor and they said, final cut, this is the last one we're going to make? Well, that's not really true. Okay, but they were talking about not offering that because something about the price on it. Enough gabbing. let's get to shaving. Soap has plenty of residual slickness, which that's one thing that I love about John soaps. The razor is efficient, but yet smooth. If you have thick stubble, this type of blade or a thicker blade may be something you're interested in getting. Comment below and let me know, do you like the single edge razors or double edge razors? What's your preference? Once you find the angle with a razor, I feel like it's going to perform. Doesn't mean it's going to be a good performance. Gotcha! Alright, let's go ahead with pass, or not pass 2. Let's go ahead and lather up for pass 2. I do have the matching aftershave splash for this, so this is going to wrap it up really nice. I love that smell. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the lather from John, or 345, I should say. And I've got a lot here, a lot. Maybe a little on the thick side, but could have used maybe a little bit more water, but nonetheless, it performs well. And I am ready for pass number 2 across the grain. Switch hands. I'm not as good with this hand. This razor, it kind of has that built-in angle, and so when you're used to holding your regular safety razor, you kind of have to adjust a little bit with this. Those lines are bothering me. You can tell if you're not feeling the blade cutting, but your razor leaves lines like that, kind of lets you know that you didn't do it right. And I'm just a regular guy. I'm no pro. I just enjoy sharing my shaves with you guys. And my bowl that I'm rinsing in has got a lot of lather building up. Is that a hair off the brush? Yeah. That's crazy. I can't see, but I can see that. All right. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. I remembered the ice cube stick, and I know I say this every time, but if you have not tried ice for a post-shave routine, give it a shot. Let me know how you feel after you've done it for a week. But if you're not prone to irritation and things like that, it might not help you out, but I feel like it's very refreshing, and there's just something about it. If you like menthol, but you can't take the menthol, this is a nice alternative. I'm gonna use my Lancaster black sheep towel, and yep, I got my shirt wet again, but that's okay. So, oh yeah, I got a little distracted. Here's the matching aftershave splash. I'm gonna give it a little shake. It's, you know, one of those that you gotta give it a little shake, which is nothing wrong. It's just something a little different. And my wife did approve of the scent whenever I got it in and was smelling it. She's like, ooh, that's nice. Oh yeah. Razor performed well. Got in all the little spots that I normally have issues with. And the soap did well. Plenty of residual slickness. I love John soaps. And I need some star jelly. Since I don't have any menthol in it, let's just apply a little bit of the Frostbite star jelly. And the menthol in that, it's not a whole lot. It's just right. All right, I will have a picture right here of everything that I used today. And I would like to say thank you for all the returning subscribers, and any new viewers, please consider subscribing now. And I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.